Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can directly print your Google Calendar on mobile phone. So in here, you can start by opening your browser in your phone and type in Google Calendar in the search column. And here you can see this is the Google Calendar, and the app is installed on my phone. So if you directly click on this, the app will be open. So what you need to do is just long press on this and click on open in new tab, because you need to open the Google Calendar in your browser to be able to print it. Okay, so here I'm going to go with mine, and here what you need to do is click on the three dots icon at the top and enable the desktop side. Okay, so after you enable the desktop side, if you want to directly print your calendar, you can just, I'm going to zoom it in first, click on the settings here, the gear icon, and there will be the print options. So here is the print preview. You can just select the print range, the view, the font size, and you can select the orientation. And if you're done, you can just click on print and then just select the printer device in here. You can see now the calendar is now in on PDF. You can just click on the three dots icon at the top and click on print again. Now the document will load. Now you can just select the printer, and after that you can print your calendar. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.